After that, 2 lemon juice. Sanju? Seeing him after 6 years, that too in this condition? Why are you hiding your face?
No, nothing. Should I make you the one for 20 or for 30?
First of all, remove this cloth from your face.
Madam, the sun is shining too much. You tell me which one I should make you. I hired a tuition teacher at home to prepare you for your exams. And you are having an affair with him.
What are you saying this? He is my teacher. Don't say anything like this, please.
I'm not talking nonsense, Ria. The whole village is talking about this. The man who teaches your wife is having an affair with her.
If someone said you believed on them.
If this is true, then I have to accept it.
Sanju, don't you trust me that much? I'm educated. You don't earn that much so that we can live a good life. That's why I want to be something for both of us. By saying me once, you hired a tutor for me at home. I thought you support me. I thought you understand me. You're doubting on me.
It's not me who is doubting, but the whole village is doubting you.
It's people's job to set fire on others' homes. No one is happy seeing others happy, seeing others success. Trust me, I only love you.
Look,
I
can't be with you anymore. It has become difficult for me to go out of the house.
कोई भी बोल
comes
देता
and says
है
that the
तुम्हारे घर
person
पे
who comes
टीचर
to
आता
your
तुम्हारी
house
वाइफ
is having an affair with the
सुनने में
wife.
आया है जब तक
I
मुझसे
endured as long
बर्दाश्त
as
हुआ
I
मैंने
could.
किया तुम्हें
I
कभी
didn't
कुछ
say
बोला भी
anything.
नहीं
But
लेकिन
now
अब मेरी
I can't
बर्दाश्त से
tolerate it
बाहर है
anymore.
तो
So
प्लीज
quietly
अपना
pick up
सामान
your
लो
bag and
और
go
जाओ
away
मेरे
from
घर
here.
से
Without any mistake, how can you do this to me?
गलती
not your
तुम्हारी नहीं है
mistake, it's
गलती
mine
मेरी है और
that
इतनी
I
बड़ी गलती है कि
trusted
मैंने
you
तुम पे
and
भरोसा
got
किया
a
और तुम्हारे लिए
teacher
टीचर
appointed
घर
for
पे ही
you
लगवा
at
दिया
home.
If now you don't have trust on me, so whatever I'll say, however I'll say, it doesn't matter. But remember one thing, I only and only love you and will always love you. Bye. Meeting after 6 years, that too in this condition, selling lemon juice.
I have to do something to run the house.
First of all, you come with me. Nearby is my office. We will sit and talk there. You stay here and take care of his stuff.
जी
Okay,
मैम
ma'am.
Now tell me, how all this happened? You had your own home, fields. After becoming DM, I went to your home. I came to know from there that you have sold everything and gone somewhere else.
तुम्हारे जाने के बाद
I
मैंने
made
थोड़ी
some
इंक्वायरी की कि
inquiries
क्या वो
whether
सच
it
था
was
या
true
नहीं
or not.
और
After
करने के बाद
making
मुझे पता
inquiries,
चला
I
कि
found out
तुम्हारा
that
तुम्हारे
it
टीचर
was
के साथ
nothing
कुछ भी
between
नहीं
you
था।
and your teacher.
उसके
Then
बाद
I
मैं
went to
तुम्हारे
your
घर
house
गया
to
तुम्हें
take
वापस
you back.
लेने लेकिन
Your
मम्मी
parents
पापा ने
said
बोला
that
कि
they
उन्होंने
threw
तुम्हें
you
उसी
out of
दिन
the
घर
house
से निकाल
that
दिया
very
था
day.
Yes. When all this happened, when I went to my home, then even my family didn't trusted me. They pushed me out of home. I was so much tired. I was feeling like dying. I was about to die. But then my teacher called me. I told him everything. He consulted me a lot and he told me that once I should meet his head. And he also introduced me to his head.
Sir, this is
मेरी
my
स्टूडेंट
student
ऐसे
Riya.
दिया
Sir,
इसके
husband
हस्बैंड ने
her
इसे घर
thrown
से
out of the
निकाल
house.
दिया
And
उसके
her
मायके
parents
वाले
also
भी इसे
don't
घर में
want to
रखना
keep
नहीं
her in the
चाहते
house.
सर ये
Sir,
बेचारी
she was
सुसाइड
going to
करने
commit
लगी
suicide.
अरे
What
ऐसा
will
करके
happen
क्या
by
हो
doing
जाएगा?
this? You will
ऐसा
never
गलत
do
काम
such
कभी
a
नहीं
wrong
करते।
thing. Sir,
ये
she is
बहुत
very
इंटेलिजेंट
intelligent.
है और
And
सर
I'm
मुझे पूरा
sure, sir,
भरोसा है
that
ये
she will
अपने
clear
पहले
the
अटेम्प्ट
exam
में
in her
एग्जाम
first
क्लियर कर
attempt.
देगी
You can
ऐसा
do one
कीजिए,
thing. that
आप
you
चाहें
can
तो
do
हमारी
a
कोचिंग
job
सेंटर
in
में
our
जॉब कर
coaching
सकती
center.
हैं।
And
साथ
along
साथ
with
आपकी
this, you
पढ़ाई
can
भी
also
चलती
do your
रहेगी।
studies. And
और
if
रही बात
there is
रहने
any
की,
problem of
तो मैं
living,
किसी
I'll ask
फीमेल
a
टीचर
female
से
teacher
रूम
to
शेयर
share
करा
the
दूंगा।
room with her.
Thank you, sir.
और बेटे,
Dear,
ऐसा
never
गलत
do
काम
such
जिंदगी में
wrong
कभी
things
नहीं
in
करते।
life.
जब
When
भी जिंदगी में
difficulties
कभी
come in our
मुश्किलें आ
life,
जाएं, परेशानियां आ
must
जाएं, तो अपनी
have to
हिम्मत
face
से
them
उनका मुकाबला
very
करना
bravely.
चाहिए।
And
और
those
जिन्होंने
who
तुम्हें
say
गलत
that
कहा
you
है,
are wrong, then
अपनी
you have
हिम्मत
to
से,
prove
अपने
them
जज्बे
wrong
से
with your courage
उन्हें गलत
and
साबित
passion.
करो।
Yes, sir. Whom you were doubting, na? He only gave me a new life. In the coaching, I was teaching, and side by side, I was continuing my studies. And in first attempt, I cleared the exam. And today, I'm DM of this district.
तुम्हारा भी ये सब करने के बाद मुझे ना नशे की लत लग गई, और ऐसी लत लगी कि मैंने अपना घर, सब कुछ बेच दिया और मैं कहीं का भी नहीं रहा। और ऐसे हालत हो गई कि मुझे खाने तक के लाले पड़ गए। जब होश आया कि कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा पेट भरने के लिए, तो कुछ दिन पहले मैंने ये शिकंजी की लहरें लगानी शुरू की है। मैंने तुम्हारे साथ बहुत गलत किया। मैं माफी के लायक तो नहीं हूँ, लेकिन उसके लिए प्लीज मुझे माफ कर।
Everybody does mistakes. It's okay. Now everything will be good. I am back now.
मतलब
Means this that now you will stay with me.
क्यों तुमने दूसरी शादी नहीं की क्या?
Why will I do second marriage when I haven't got divorced from previous one? And while leaving, I told you, na, that I love you and will always love you.
मैंने तुम्हारे साथ गलत किया, तुम अब भी मेरे लिए सोच रही हो।
Love never dies, Sanju. Okay, now you tell me. Do you love me?
बहुत ज्यादा। और ये मुझे तुम्हारे जाने के बाद पता चला।
Now will you separate me from you? I love you.
I love you.